How to fix Valorant stuck on map loading screen. I'm going to show you a few different methods. For the first one, you want to open up your computer search. Here we will just search for Valorant. You want to find the game itself, right click, and then open file location. Now from here we will right click again, show more options, go to properties, and you want to go into the compatibility tab. Check this, run this program in compatibility mode 4. Then you want to check this, disable full screen optimizations, and run this program as an administrator. Click on apply, click on OK, and see if that fixes the issue for you. If it still doesn't, the second method that I can suggest doing is opening up your computer search again, searching for add or remove programs. Click on add or remove programs here. You want to search for Valorant, click on the 3 dots here, and you want to uninstall the game and reinstall it from the Riot client. And that is what you can do. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.